নেক্সট আমি ডিসকাস কৰোঁ দ্য প্যাৰেলাল এক্সিছ থিওৰাম। প্যাৰেলাল এক্সিছ থিওৰাম। So basically এটো কি কৈ আছে, again we draw a body. It is a rigid body, three-dimensional rigid body, and say this is the center of mass of the rigid body. So center of mass eto C হয় আৰু আমাৰ এটা axis pass কৰিছে through a random point P. Suppose P point through এটা axis pass কৰিছে। আমাক সুধিছে কি যে এই P point through দি pass কৰা axis টোৰ about moment of inertia কিমান হয়। Suppose this is I. This is what we have to find out. Now this theorem states that the moment of inertia of an axis passing through the point P is nothing but IP is nothing but the moment of inertia about the center of mass plus m times the distance squared between the two axes. তার মানে যদি তুমি through center of mass একটা axis draw করা which is perpendicular to the required axis আৰু এই center of mass through the pass কৰা axis to about moment of inertia যদি IC হয় আৰু এই distance দুটা axis এর মাজত যদি d হয়, then this moment of inertia I equal to IC plus mg square. Why this law is very important, theorem is very important, is because IC law to both easy হয়. It is easy to find out the moment of inertia about the center of mass. So hetu ulai ami etu indirectly ulai lobo paru. Okay, so thank you.